Hey everybody, this is Michelangelo, aka Tombstone 5. Yeah, I know, you can see my shoulder. I'm just here to let you know I might be making my own YouTube channel of Minecraft and other computer games. And I'm not going to be on Steam because I have an account but I cannot download crap. So yeah, just here to let you know that I might be starting my own YouTube channel if I could upload, and it won't take forever at least. And show me in the comments what recording recording files I should use for my Minecraft and other computer games for Mac. Okay, tell me that in the comments. Subscribe for my first video of this update. Hope you guys enjoyed my update, of course. And see you all next time.